It's told in the problem that the lines like this. There is a common line like this, and the two lines, what is told in the problem, they are perpendicular to a common line, it seems. The two lines what is given here, L1 and L2, they are perpendicular to a common line. This implies to me that L1 and L2 should be parallel to each other, right? So L1 equation is given in the problem as a L1 equation is given as P into P square plus 1, P into P square plus 1 times x minus y plus q should be equal to 0. So L2 equation is given as P square plus 1 times P square plus 1 the whole square times x plus P square plus 1 times y plus 2q should be equal to, what is it, plus 2q should be equal to 0. Now if you can see here, what is the slope of the first line now? This implies what is the slope of the first line? Slope of the first line is minus a divided by b. So minus p into p square plus 1 divided by minus 1, right? Divided by minus 1. What is the slope of the second line is equal to p square plus 1 the whole square divided by p square plus 1, that is equal to p square plus 1, correct or not? So this is nothing but minus a by b, right? Minus a by b, minus a divided by b. So here it will be minus. So now because the two lines are parallel to each other, so I can say here m1 can be written as p into p square plus 1, right? So now because the two lines are parallel to each other, L1 parallel to L2, I can say that the slopes of two lines also should be equal. So I can say p into p square plus 1 should be equal to minus of p square plus 1, correct? P into p square plus 1 is equal to minus of p square plus 1. So I can say p into p square plus 1 plus p square plus 1 should be equal to, what is it? Should be equal to 0, right? M1, M2. So what do we get now? P square plus 1 times, if you take out p square plus 1 common, plus p plus 1 should be equal to 0. So p square plus 1 is equal to 0, or p plus 1 is equal to 0, p is equal to minus 1, or p is equal to plus or minus root of minus 1, right? This cannot be the number. So p value is equal to how much? Minus 1 is the answer to the question. So the option is asking you for how many values of k, right? How many values of p? So this is exactly one value of p will be the answer to the question. Exactly one value of p will be the answer to the question as per the option. Okay. This value cannot be the case because it's complex number, right? Here real value, only exactly one real value of p is the answer.